Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. It is the last one of the year, and I don't want to jinx it, but how funny would it be if something was broken? Yeah, let's open it up. 4 coupons. Well, this is what's inside. There's once again no QR code, so that will be a very quick video. Okay, so what are we going to start with? This is the, oh god, Uriage Eau Thermale. What is this? Repairing gel cream that regenerates, strengthens the skin barrier and soothes for uneven skin texture dehydration lines. So that is what this one looks like. Here it is. Apply morning and evening over all the face on perfectly cleansed and dried skin. Avoid contact with the eyes and it's unscented. 40 milliliters. Ooh, that's cool. I've never seen a nozzle, is that the word? I'm not sure, like this. So I'll definitely try that one out. The thing is, avoid contact with the eyes. So, knowing me, I will probably just leave the whole eye area out. It feels super soft on the skin. Okay, I'm excited. The rest is all nude pink. Can you see? Alright, Nails Ink London Vit C Please Nourishing Cuticle Oil. I actually have to do that. I bought one a few months ago because I used one up. I think I used 1 or 2 up. Super excited about that. And then I bought a new one and I haven't used it ever since. So I have a new cuticle oil. Oh, it smells like, you know what it smells like? Aperol Spritz. That's what it smells like. Okay, so super excited for this. So it's a nail oil. It's not only for the cuticles, but I think you can put it all over your nails. I will definitely use that. So that is nice to have. And then the other thing that's kind of in a similar packaging. At first I thought that was nail polish, which would be a mess because I recently purchased 2 new nail polishes. So this is the NYX Oui Prodigieuse Or. Multi-purpose dry oil, face, body and hair. Now the problem is, this is Or is gold, so it has like shimmer specks in. I would not put that on my hair. I mean, I don't know about you, but I would not. It smells so good. Like it has always smelled so good. How am I supposed to do this? I know how well you can see, but it is rather dark. Oh, it smells so good. I had NYX products before and it smells so good. Oh god, yes, I love this. I love this. I don't know if you can see any shimmer or glow to it though. Oh, maybe a bit. But it could be the oil itself. It smells so good. So good. Super excited. Oh, yes, I'm definitely going to enjoy this. We have this one here, the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush in Flushing For You. Yeah, okay. So this is what that one looks like. It's super dewy, so it's not matte, which is good, I guess. Oh yeah, you can easily blend it out. It smells good too. Oh wow. Let me see if we can actually build this up as well. Because I know some people are like, oh yeah. Yes, you definitely can. Wow. And even after a while, you can still blend it in. And you cannot really remove it anymore. Oh, okay, so that will stay put for a while. Unless you use I guess, an oil cleanser. That's still a bit. Okay. 3 products left. Now, should we go in order of sizes? So we have the Gatineau Golden Glow Gradual Tan. Now I'm not gonna use this. I'm not a fan of that, and yeah, I'm just not gonna use this. I will probably sell this or I'll give it away. So builds an effortless, natural, and even tan, formulated with coconut oil and vitamin E. So this second last product is the Avella Style and Restore Pre-Styling Serum, Style and Rescue, that deeply nourishes up to 98% less breakage. Okay. Oh my god, that smells so good. Oh, it's giving high-end hair salon. It's also like a thick cream, like, you know, like it's not a spray per se, but it's a cream. And how do you use this? It doesn't say it, but I assume you just put it in your hair when it's wet. And then last but not least, we're ready at the end, is the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Say hello to our recyclable samples. So wait, this is a sample? I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm just very confused. That is very small. So apparently all of this is recyclable. Even the nozzle here is a jelly oil cleanser, so you would use that, like I would use that now to remove the makeup, and then I would go in with another cleanser. I have no idea how you actually use it. I feel like you have, like, you know, it says in the packaging, you have to break off the nozzle. And I feel like then it's just open because there's nothing to close it. Unless I didn't see it. Nope, there's nothing to close it. Would be a mess. Maybe you can actually close it afterwards. I'm not sure. I don't want to break it now. No. Okay. That was everything that's in the box. Overall, I don't think it's a bad box. For once. Okay? Like, I'm gonna recycle this. Hold on. It's a good mixture between hair care, body care, makeup, nail care. I'm excited about everything apart from tanning gel, the tanning lotion, whatever. I feel like all of this will be things that will be used up unless I have a allergic reaction to it, or unless, I don't know, it doesn't do the job. I'm not gonna say it will happen like this, but if this oil cleanser is not working the way I want it to work, I will declutter it. Dogs. Shh, shh, shh. I remember. Calm down. Calm down. Chill. I think I told you this before. It's the two ladies with 3 dogs, where the poodle is very nice, but the other two, oh my god, once they're off, they're off. What was I gonna say? Okay, so if this, for example, doesn't work the way I want to work, I will get rid of it. But other than that, I think all of these are products that I would use up. Now with the blush, that's a cream blush. That might take me forever to use up, and it might go bad before I can use it up. But I try to use all of it up, right? If this serum is not working on my hair, or if it makes my hair look greasy, or if it weighs it down, whatever. But technically, just from looking at it, all of these would be products that I would use up. So that was it. That was the LookFantastic box for December 24. The last one of the year. Oh my god, can you believe that? It's the last one of the year. So please let me know if you had any of these products before. I'm excited for this because it smells so good. It smells so good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And that's the next one.